Sorry?
That's CQB, Phil. Might as well go down the fob.
It's basically the same game mode reverse, yeah?
I've heard of it once.
So generally
It's like difference to that. This.
Huh?
Difference to that one. This one. So they go happy mode. That's where you spend 330 odd quid upgrading it.
that's the thing, is spending 300 quid to buy something and then you're like, oh, I've got to upgrade this and do this and do this.
Well, I've got plans. I'm going to buy complete M4 parts, build it from scratch.
Nice.
Well, I won't be building it, but somebody else will do it. I put my YouTube picture on there and his picture on there.
Nice.
And it might be painted a certain colour. And part of there would be my sister's started birthday when she passed on there, and maybe gun. And it'd be like with some sparkles in it. Cerakote, the painted job won't be cheap. Cerakoting.
That's the thing. If it's something you enjoy and it's
oh yeah. And I give all the parts to Agi Armory. Guys, do the build.
Yeah.
If you go on his YouTube channel,
Agi Armory.
Agi Armory, it's A-C-C-Y Armory. And you see a P90 build, that's my P90.
Oh, nice.
I bought the P90 brand new for the 29th of July. I said I got it for Corley Surface Store. Said, don't worry about the warranty, this one, because I'm giving them a gun check this afternoon. He did it.
Nice.
It's a beast. It's an animal.
Get a good tech looking at stuff, they know what they're doing, right?
It does see, looks like
Right.
Down in the fob building, yeah.
Yeah, I was wearing smoked goggles before, and basically when we got into the dark woodland, I was like, oh, fuck.
I can't see anything.
I can't see anything. Try and figure out effective range where I can see the BBs.
When I'm going first to get myself Wolverine NTW, I get used to
HPA, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I can't see myself going to that point. It's like, I'd like a pistol, but it's like, oh,
Then
let's get an electric one just because it's the hassle of dealing with gas blowback and extra maintenance and things.
and I get a decent sight for it, get it all sight up, then get black BBs. Motor whispers quiet, so hit people who go, fill it up, go,
Yeah, they've got no clue where they're flying. You can barely see them coming in.
Fire bomb!
I was going to say, you'll end up with crashed like that.
No, fire bomb! I was in Paul funny faces, but I was beyond the mask because he.
I always use long ones, just because of just the trigger response.
Fair enough.
That's the whole reason. Like gear ratio, I mainly use semi.
Yeah.
That's what I'm used to.
I use semi anyway.
So I've whacked in a fucking torque motor. So full autos, yeah, it's right. But on semi, it's snappy. And then I've got this thing for time being.
This is, yeah, quick, full auto.
Yeah, I don't bother with full auto. I'll use binary That's fun. Oh yeah.
Okay, man.
No ammo in it.
I'm not going to do that with this because I haven't got
Here's why I took the mag out, so. I'm gonna go get out
I
and
haven't
go.
had to use my medic kit once, luckily. Probably isn't got the fucking tank.
Then go up, boundary.
Jay's doing it.
To get as many people go straight up or to the left,
Yeah.
we go up the boundary, far right, up the boundary.
Does that not fit?
Watch it. I'm going to give you the toss today. Slow down.
Why?
Because you've got one battery. But it won't be charged.
I'm the only ranger. Right, I'm going to try and join you guys.
So you go to the back and around. No. No point staying in here because we'll be going straight out. No point going up there because we'll be leaving here. You're playing by yourself up there. As soon as we go, then we go straight up.
Say again.
As soon as we go, we're attacking.
Ah, right.
So no point staying up there.
No, stay out there.
Stay out there.
You're playing by yourself then.
Playing with each other.
Oh yeah. So mate, fair play?
Alright.
Yep.
Fuck it, fall over. I just count if that gets shot, it don't count to me. Didn't feel it. I can hear it, but I didn't feel it.
Are you cheap? Doesn't matter what does your beach have, you still can go, have fun.
That's it.
Fair play to him.
Make most of it.
Yep.
Carry on, didn't you? Just don't expect no running out of me.
Well, me running. Same here, I don't do running either. Not unless a picture of famous Taylor Swift in front of me, butt naked calling me. Then I'll run.
I'll give it a go for a burger, I'll be honest, and past that.
It's first, I'm on my last. Oh yeah, that's perfect t-shirt.
I'll take the piss. I'll be honest, I don't fuck about taking a piss.
Oh nice! The end of the day.
There's no point just being sad about it, we've got to fucking have a laugh.
Yeah. Bitch, what?
I'll go around.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That is not fun.
Things up here, we might as well just take them out. Quite a few on the right.
Yeah.
Oh, right through this.
Get behind this thing.
Oh, my foot come off. My shoe come off.
No, wait!
I've got to put my trainer back on.
Okay, we've got some reds down here.
Wait, dog! Come on. Hold on the right! Down, go down. There it goes.
Yeah.
Straight through that bush. Push off a little bit.
Damien, don't talk. Remember that.
If you want to have a tomahawk on your shoulder, shut up. Fogged up again.
Yeah, I can't see shit, mate.
Take them off while we're in. Keep your head down, wipe them.
What's he doing? He's not killed.
I'm standing in front of you.